Hey y'all, welcome back to Deep Fried Honey. Today we're gonna make one pot fettuccine Alfredo. So there's only a handful of ingredients and a handful of instructions too. But you just want to brown some garlic and some oil. Add in your liquids, which will be chicken broth and heavy cream, and then add in your pasta. Season it. I'd use just salt, and move your pasta around a lot. It's going to kind of turn into one big clump of pasta noodles if you just let it sit there. So make sure you're continuously, trying to distribute the liquid throughout it. You're gonna need to stir this the entire time it's cooking. You can go from doing it continuously like you will in the beginning to every few minutes or so towards the end. But until your noodles are pliable enough to be completely submerged, you want to keep them moving pretty much the entire time. Then you're going to cover, and like I said, stir every few minutes or so. You don't want them to clump together, and you want them to cook evenly. The ones on the bottom will cook faster than the ones on the top, so keep it moving, flip it over, fold it onto itself, all that good stuff. And once your noodles are pretty much al dente, go ahead and add in your Parmesan. I didn't feel like grating my Parmesan, so I just sliced it because I don't know why. I don't like grating cheese, and I didn't feel like pulling out my food processor. But get your Parmesan thoroughly distributed and let it melt, and then go ahead and crack in some black pepper and add in your minced parsley if you're using that. After you have it all stirred together, you are done. Serve it as quickly as you can. This doesn't really sit very well. The pasta will absorb 100% of the sauce if you leave it too long, but it's really easy, really fast, and I think it's really delicious. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.